With Weather Vane Roofing today, I'm going to do the impossible, or at least that's what I was told, it was impossible.
Always the right direction. Time to call Weather Vane.
So there was a old chimney here on this house, went all the way up and through a hole up there. What we're going to do is, you can see that there's been a fix done on it, but it doesn't line up. It's not, it just wasn't good. So what we're going to do is take that out and make it look right, and I'll show you how we do that. We're up on the roof now, and here's really the main problem. So the chimney went through just a section right there, and what they did to try to fix it is they took out the smallest possible area, or the least possible amount of work to fix it, and that's just not possible, because the way this roof is made is you're going to have 4-foot sheets. So it's going to be 4 foot from here to here for a sheet, and then 4 foot from there to there for a sheet. So what we have to do, and the sheets are important because the length of the sheet actually gives this roof a little bit of structure. So you can't just replace one little section out there. All it's going to do is it's going to constantly want to dive down. So we've got to give it a little more support. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back another rafter bay. So instead of stopping here, I'm going to come back to about here, take the shingles out from where my pry bar is up here, back about 4 feet, and then down here and over. So I'm going to replace a large section that'll span 2 trusses and take care of this whole area. So when we frame underneath it and sheet it and put it back together, it's going to be one solid slope. So really the problem here is that the repair guys just didn't go far enough out with their repair to make sure that they were tying in appropriately. So I'll show you. Wood is in. You can see I went back on the second rafter. So there's a rafter here, rafter here, rafter here. What that does, allows me to get that nice smooth piece in, allowed me to do my framing inside of the hole here just a little bit. And having that sheet gives it some 200, let's just say plus pounds. And I can stand on this eave no problem. So structurally it's back to where it should be. Just a little bit bigger repair. Backing up, doing everything that we need to tie into those 2 rafters and hold it up. It's going to help us out a lot here. It's nice and flat. Around the side here where we started, you can just see compared to what it was before we started, we got a nice clean line here. You can't really see the shadows, but it's nice and straight. You can't really tell that the chimney went through there. So that's how we got to do it. When we do roof repairs, we got to back up, go a couple more feet than we thought we were going to have to go, and then everything will kind of fall right into line.
Always the right direction. Time to call Weather Vane. Oh, Weather Vane. Weather Vane. Oh, Weather Vane. Weather Vane. Oh, Weather Vane. Weather Vane.